Why is it that some people can make £1,000 in a single day online and you're still struggling out, you're grinding all these hours, nothing to show for it? But guess what? That's about to change right now. It's not because they're better than you or they've got more time or they've got more money. It is because they've got a skill and they know how to make money out of that skill. I wasn't born knowing how to do this. Literally less than 18 months ago, I was struggling in Thailand with not a penny to my name, and I've come back to the UK and I've generated over £60,000 in less than 6 months with these proven methods, what I'm going to show to you. I had no plan. I had no idea what I was doing. I mean, basically, I'm in your same exact position, wanting a little bit more money and stuck how to do so. So I'm going to teach you. I went from being stuck and confused, not knowing what to do, no real plans, no methods, no mentors, to literally now being in the best environment I have, the best mentors I have, working under the best people, having the best skills, and being financially free finally at 28. And this is why I created Local Luxe Elite, to teach people like me and like you how to make that extra bit of money. If it's helping paying off the bills, a little bit of money at Christmas, paying for an extra holiday. Everyone wants a little bit more money. I'm going to teach you how to do it. Here's the most painful truth though, all right? This is not for everyone, right? Most people fail online because, they can't be bothered to get lazy. It's not because they're lost. It's not because, they don't know what right skill to have or what to focus on, right? They waste hours and hours on TikTok controlling, etc., right? They try and do it alone with no support. They don't really have any guidance, and then they quit. And this is what is not going to happen to you. In Local Luxe Elite, I'm going to make sure you have full clarity, a roadmap, A to B to C to D, all the way to Z, okay? I'm going to make sure that you guys have the exact roadmap and blueprint that I made £60,000 in 6 months with, to give you guys the best chance of getting financial success. That's exactly why I've built Local Luxe Elite. It's a community of like-minded individuals who are all here trying to make money, and this is what we're going to do. It's designed to take you from confusion to clarity. It's designed to make you go from zero to your first £1,000 online, and it is easier, and you'll get there quicker than what you think. The best part is, as well, you're not alone. There's a massive community here with 24/7 support with everyone who's like-minded in this group as well. This isn't just some random course, okay? This is step-by-step video tutorials you can do at your own speed as well, to show you how to make money online. This is what you get inside. You're going to get over 50 videos. You're going to get step-by-step tutorials that you can follow at your own pace as well. This starts everything from loading up your first funnel to creating content, building your personal brand, and everything in between. There's going to be weekly new videos uploaded, giving you guys the best strategies in the industries as well. Also, we're going to have monthly live masterclasses, okay, with people in their special field, showing you how to make money in that field, right? Giving you guys the best knowledge so you guys can absolutely crush it. We're going to reward everyone as well. So the most active members in the leaderboards in the community, they're going to be giving prizes, from cash prizes, discount cards, vouchers, everything in between, for the most active members in our community, because we are building a community full of active people who want to succeed. This is a private members communication. So if you want to ask questions where you can ask questions, do not worry. You're going to get feedback. You're going to have 24/7 support as well. Inside, you're also going to get all the template scripts and SOPs inside, what helped me make my first £60,000 online in less than 6 months. And the best part is, as well, you get lifetime access to this. Anytime there's a new module or a new video uploaded, you get it exclusively, right? And you get it for free, included in your membership. This isn't just some other course that you buy and forget about in a few weeks' time, right? This is a system. This is a workplace. This is a community what builds up every single week and is updated every single week as well. Some members are already seeing results already just after days of being in the community, okay? Some people are already, building up their first funnel. Some people are actually making money off their first clients as well and closing on that first £1,000 within 30 days. So the point is, you don't need more money. You don't need to see year-to-year results, okay? You need to just build momentum, get these little wins in, and momentum will create money. And then money will create more money, what will create more money, what will finally get to financial freedom. Now, everything I just listed there, usually with the trainings, the weekly updates, the mentorships, everything, usually charge from about £200-300 a month, okay? Right, but my mission is to make this affordable and accessible for anyone who's serious about making money online. So now you can join the Local Luxe Elite community for only £27 a month, right? That is basically the same as a takeaway in a Netflix a month, right? If that is not worth investing into your future to be successful, do you really think you should be successful? You can cancel anytime as well, right? And there's a 30-day money back guarantee. If you do not book your first meeting within 30 days after watching all the videos, I will give you your full money back. So there's no risk and all the reward. But if you're serious about building an income online and making money, changing your life, Local Luxe Elite is the place to be. So click the button right now, join the community, and I'll see you all on the inside. I'll see you in there.